Rishabh here, your personal branding expert and coach, and welcome to day 12. Today, something interesting is on the cards because I want you to now focus on specific things for your life. Yesterday, we spoke about your brand vision. Today, I want you to speak about your specific brand niche. Now, what is a niche? A niche is something that is typically called as the blue ocean in life. And the blue ocean in life is something that you don't have a lot of competition in. Most branding experts make that mistake of having too generic a branding vision. The branding vision becomes too generic and they fight in a red ocean. They fight in a place where they cannot compete with the sharks. And there are so many sharks in the red ocean. Imagine you want to be a weight loss expert and you create a weight loss expert profile for yourself. You stand for that. You're trying to create impact and everything is good. But when you want to create that differentiation for yourself in that whole thing, it's going to be very difficult. You cannot stand out. I remember this one story which Seth Godin had created about this thing called as a purple cow. So he was going in a village and while he was driving through the village, he was going with his family on vacation and they were trying to enjoy themselves. He was seeing a few cows along the way. Have you also gone to your village and seen cows grazing along the meadows while you're driving your car? And that's like the most peaceful feeling for you, right? So he was driving along the way and what happened is he kept seeing brown cows. He kept seeing brown cows. And after an hour, half an hour, he figured out that these things became invisible to him. These things became non-cluttering for him and he didn't even pay notice to these cows. And he realized that at that point in time, if there was a purple cow who stood in front of him, there would probably be a road accident. He would probably stop the car and look for the cow. And that would only happen because that cow was differentiated. That cow would have been in a blue ocean. That cow would have created that visible change or visible differentiation versus everything else that is available. A lot of brands do that. I want you to now understand of how your branding niche is going to be and what is going to be the differentiating factor for you. How are you going to break it down? Now what you can do is figure out how you can actually super specialize in a particular niche. For example, if you're a weight loss coach, how you can actually specifically look at a certain area of weight loss. Maybe just a ketogenic diet, or maybe just intermittent fasting, or maybe just HIIT. I don't know, you are the expert there. You need to figure out that you need to be standing as the king of that small castle that you want to own. The moment that you realize that you are going to be the king of that small castle, you can actually be that differentiated purple cow in that blue ocean. It's very difficult to imagine that, but I'm just trying to create a mental referencing for you. And a mental referencing is very important when you want to start on the journey. Today, let's be the purple cow, or let's be that fish in the blue ocean which create that massive impact for people and that specific set of people. See, the world is full of 7.5 or 7.2 billion people. And even if you get like 1.1% of that population to be your loyalist, to be your fans, to be your customer avatar, it's job well done for you. So I need you to figure that out. What is that differentiated offering that you have? What is that specific niche you have? And once you figure that out, life becomes very easy. This is Rishabh, your personal branding expert and coach, signing off on day 12, and I'll see you tomorrow.